Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we are going to be talking about how to find stocks that can raise, explode, skyrocket before anyone else, for before everyone. So let's just get straight into it. We are solely going to be looking off of technicals. Like this is not going to be like any type of short squeeze play or some shit like that. But I can do a video on that too. But let's just get straight into it. So the technical analysis is one of the greatest signals out there, which can kind of tell us like what's happening into the markets, what's happening with the stock, and also after that, after we kind of find the stocks that we like off of this kind of technical or a screener that we are going to use, then after that we can absolutely use the fundamental side of things. So what you're going to do is just go ahead on finviz.com and click on screener. This video is not will not be that long at all. Like overall, we're gonna be using 5 or 6 filters. Like I just love to go ahead and click on all. So first of all, like let's just get this out of the way. We're only gonna be looking for stocks, just like that. The second thing is gonna be the average volume. Okay, we cannot forget that. Like when I'm looking to the stocks that I want to buy before everyone else, and I'm also looking for stocks that are quite liquid. Okay, I want a lot of shares back and forth each day. So I can see a beautiful kind of chart patterns. I can see beautiful candles. I don't want these kind of big gas gaps or dojis on the chart. So in this case, the average volume, I'm always looking for it to be over 400 to $500. Okay, 500, 400 or 500K. So let's go with over 400K. As you can see right now, we're left with only 2,000 stocks, which is 2,700, which is absolutely great. After that, we are going to be looking for the relative volume. And I know that a lot of people do not know what like our vol is. So if you don't know, like let me just go ahead and fill it out for you guys. This is the relative volume. Relative volume, as you can see here, it says that it's a ratio between the current volume and the 3-month average in the intraday. We're gonna turn that to be over 1.5. And to explain it even more, basically like our vol or relative volume, it is basically an indicator. Okay, indicator like as well as like a lot of indicators that are out there. It is an indicator that tells traders how the current volume or trading volume is compared to the past trading volume over a given period. In this case, like I don't know, like what's the period? It's a 3-month average intraday adjusted. So between the last 3 months, I think that like that's how it works. But I want the R vol to be over 1.5. After that, I will be looking for the 200-day and the 50-day simple moving average, like we have it right here. What does the SMA mean? Basically shows you, I mean, here we have 200 SMA. It basically shows you the average price or the average line of the last 200 days closing prices. So if the price is above the SMA, it is bullish, and below that, bearish. But in this case, the 200-day like gives you a rough understanding about that. So we want the price, of course, to be bullish. We want bullish, like when we are going to be buying, we want bullish stocks, which does not have to mean shit. We could also be buying bearish stocks, like which are pretty bearish and have a great fundamentals and they have great background. As you can see, we are like right now we are left with 55 stocks, and also I will be talking about the market cap, which I want it to be over 300 million. Okay, the market cap to be over 300 million, or like in this case, it will be plus small. And what does the market cap mean? Just market capitalization or capitalization, and it equals to the total dollar market value of all of the company's outstanding shares. This is like what we are left with. We have 49 stocks which we can choose off of. I really want to like to have the highest volume on the top so that it can move basically like great. And as you can see on the top list, we have BBIG. Bro, I have been talking about BBIG for quite a while and have been making like a lot of updates about BBIG on my channel. If you did not know, I make videos about this kind of stuff too. So go ahead and kind of check out the stock. I have videos on it. As you can see, this Maro did manage to break, which is absolutely great and it's pretty interesting, which we can write it to around $55 as you can see. But yeah, you can go ahead, screenshot this, and you will see beautiful charts out there, which you can absolutely take advantage of. And guys, peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor.